Assalamualaikum dear kids, hope you all are fine. Today we will learn addition with regrouping from page number 32 to 34 and then properties of addition from page number 34 to 35. Take your book, a notebook and pencils with you. Let's start learning. First, on the page number 32, you can see there is a question, find the sum of 39 and 17. When we will add 39 and 17, we know that we always start addition from ones. 9 and 7. 9 and 7 is, yes, 16. But we will write only 6. Yes, the digit on the ones place under the ones, 6. And 1 will be carried on 3. This is called regrouping. 1 will be regrouped on 3. 3 plus 1, 4, and plus 1, 5. So we will write 5 in tens place. So what is the sum of 39 and 17? Yes, 56. Here is another example has been given of 3-digit numbers. So let's add 3-digit numbers. Here we will solve the given example on book on whiteboard. From where we will start adding? Yes, from ones. 6 plus 8. What will be the answer? Yes, 14. We will write 4 here and 1 will be regrouped on 3. Now we will add 3 plus 1. 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we will add the digits in 100 place. 2 and 5. Yes, answer will be 7. You have to practice question number 1 on the page number 34. Find the sums of given numbers. Try by yourself and then match your answers with my answers. Now we will learn properties of addition. Look at the addition sentences below. First, 6 oranges plus 4 oranges plus 2. When we will count these number of oranges, the answer will be 12. The same number of apples are given below, but the arrangement is different. But when we will count these apples, 2 plus 6 plus 4, the answer is same. Then the arrangement is different again for number of bananas, but the arrangement is different. Numbers are same but arrangements are different, and the number of fruits are the same. What we have learned? The first properties of addition is the sum remains the same even when you rearrange the numbers in an addition sentence. On the page number 35, the second property of addition has been given. A number does not change when you add 0 to that number. 3 plus 0, the answer will be 3. 10 plus 0, the answer will be same. Yes, 10. Now we will solve practice zone. First question is very easy. Add 0 to the given numbers. Number does not change when you add 0 to that number. So in part A, 25 plus 0 is equal to, very good, 25. In B part, 0 plus 37. And the answer will be yes, 37. Question number 2. Add the numbers in each sum in a different order. We will solve part A on whiteboard. Then you have to practice this question by yourself. Answer key will be given at the end of this video. Number 2, part A. First one is 15 plus 13 plus 17. Then I change the arrangement by first one is 13, then 17 and then 15. We will check the property. Either the sum remains the same even when you arrange the numbers in an addition sentence. We will solve in rough work. 5 plus 3 plus 7. 15. We will write 5 here and 1 will be regrouped. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 45. Now we will add again with different arrangement. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15. 5 and 1 will be regrouped. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 45. Yes, answer is same. This is the answer key for the practice zone. First try by yourself and then match your answers with my answers. Good luck.